going towards entrance of Chapultepec. Parque Chapultepec right here. This is the entrance. I wonder if they'd make us wear masks. Let's see. Orgánicos, inorgánicos, no reciclables. Orgánicos. In Chapultepec. San Miguel Chapultepec on death. So what is?
That is the variant.
So they have this stuff, but you cannot make a michelada. What is that stuff?
This michelada?
No, they don't sell alcoholic beverages here. The lady said they only sell refrescos. I think I'm gonna try. Me voy a llevar unos de estos tamarindo, por favor. ¿Son 10? Y no importa si me voy así, no va a salir este, ¿no? Interesting. I was talking to that lady, and I told her the guy when we were crossing the street, I couldn't see the truck blocking the signal, so I didn't know we were not supposed to go, and he called me a naco, which is like a derogatory term. And I told her, no, it's like a, I don't know. No, but she said a lot of people probably are taking out on Asians right now too because of the COVID thing. So that's probably why. So she said, yeah, I don't know.
I don't really think that thought's in their head.
Una pregunta, joven. ¿Qué significa la palabra naco?
Naco.
¿Es malo?
Sí.
¿Y qué quiere decir?
Como algo muy bajo, muy corriente.
Algo muy corriente, ¿va? De bajo nivel. Ah, ya. Entonces a lo mejor el señor pensaba que yo soy de bajo nivel.
¿Por qué le dijeron así?
Porque estaba cruzando y es que se cambió la luz y no pude ver porque estaba una camioneta bloqueando este signo. Entonces, ¡sí, naco! Qué malo, ¿no? Yeah. Pues ni modo, ya. Gracias. That was my story. Yeah, I'm okay. So this is Chapultepec. I just was talking to that lady that I bought some tamarindo from. Yeah, I'm actually behind the monument. The Monumento. There's always some lovers in the park, which is nice. I like that. So the castle is here, but we didn't go to the castle because it's a bit far. And I think it might be open, but Anyway, this is a nice park. Chapultepec Park. It's one of the largest parks in the whole world. So you can see there's the, oh, here we go, Salido Metro, Chapultepec, that's where we're gonna go. Museo del Sitio, Fuente de la Templanza, Tribuna Monumental, Baños de Moctezuma.